Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. Question 1. What does he do? He is teacher, he is teaching, or he is a teacher. He is a teacher. Question 2. He working in an office. He work in an office. He works in an office. He works in an office every morning. Question 3. I go at school, I go to school, I go on school in Vienna. I go to school in Vienna. Question 4. We have lunch at 1 o'clock, in 1 o'clock, on 1 o'clock. Which one is correct? We have lunch at 1 o'clock. Question 5. Do you like shopping, to shopping? Yes, I do. The correct answer is shopping. Do you like shopping? Yes, I do. Question 6. Is there any food left? No, there isn't. Yes, there is any. No, there aren't. Is there any food left? No, there isn't. Question 7. My favorite painters are Jack and Mike, but John doesn't like they at all, them at all, it at all. John doesn't like them at all. Question 8. There aren't many people, a lot people, much people here today. There aren't many people here today. Question 9. We haven't got some children, any children, a children. We haven't got any children. Question 10. Do you speak English? No, I don't speak. No, I don't. No, I speak not. The correct answer is don't. Do you speak English? No, I don't. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me. Thank you. See you later.